and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got some items to share with you today for Fansells Friday. I have 2 diamond paintings and an off the canvas. So we'll start with the off the canvas. They are all in clear covers now. Seems as though most of them are coming in clear covers rather than bags. But this first one is just a little tote bag I thought was fun to do. There's a few new designs. So this is quite a smaller one. It's not tiny, but it's a smaller bag. So it is actually 30 centimetres by 36 centimetres if we don't include the handles. Going up, the handles could probably stretch to about 22, 23 centimetres if you sort of grab hold of them there. So yeah, I just thought it was cute. I don't know why I'm trying to roll that tape measure back up. I'll need it again in a bit. But inside you do get what you need to complete this. So you get a toolkit with a boat, wax and pen. You get your little symbol key so you know which one is which. And we have got some lovely different diamonds for this one. So in the standard we have lots of pink sparkle, a couple of different shades of pink. We have some black that just looks like the standard 310, and we have sort of a purpley pink. We then have a slightly bigger white diamond, and then we have some silver hearts, some pink hearts, some little pink rosebud flowers, and some little red teardrop ones. So lots of nice different little ones. Let me have a look. So it is number 6. Oh yeah, so the pink hearts are the green ones on here, and the pink hearts on here are actually the silver. Where's the little teardroppy parts? Oh, they make up some flowers. So you use those to make up these little flowers that are dotted about. Also, there's a little bit on that butterfly, another flower, and actually we have 2 flowers on an actual butterfly on this one. So gorgeous little images there that all make up just a pretty fun little tote bag for you to be able to do, and everything fits back inside so that it doesn't get lost. Let me pop that back in that way. So that is number 1. Then I have a couple of paintings. First up, we have a cute little winter guy. I can get hold of him. Oh, he's so sweet. Cute little winter penguin. Ah, he looks kind of lost, just a little bit, with his little droopy hat. This one is in a round. It is, the diamond painting area is 24 centimetres by 24. It has 16 colours, but this one does not come with DMC numbers. I don't know why, so many are now. But the symbols look really, really clear. There is quite a bit of a white background, but of course with that image it's bound to be. You do get a toolkit with a boat, wax and pen. And I'll show you the colours. So they don't come with the MC numbers even on the packet. The packet is just showing the number of the painting and then the diamond number down the side. But we have a couple of different greys, some reds, orange, beige, brown, pink, more brown, some black, green, blue, a couple of sort of, is it mauve colours? Some more green, and then we have 3 bags of whites, which I say is to be expected with the background and the penguin's belly. There's bound to be a bit of white on that one. I don't mind a lot of white though in one painting. It's one of my favourite colours to do in bulk. I prefer to do white over, say, black. But I think he's adorable. I think he's absolutely adorable. So cute and lost. Looks a little bit lost, but he's cute. And then for painting number 2, item number 3, we have this gorgeous silhouette of 2 flamingos. One stood up and one sat down with this gorgeous background. This one is a 30 by 40. It has 22 colours and it does come with DMC numbers, this one. The actual diamond painting area is just short of 25 by 35 in size, but those pinks are gorgeous. Does also come with a toolkit, Bowax pen, and we actually get baggies for this one. So look at those gorgeous pink colours. We've even got a little bit of purple, also got a little bit of black. Trying to see if I can see all the pink and purples. Because they're sort of, they lay over each other, but not all together, not on the clear side anyway. So look, that's where the rest of them are. I'm going to do a reshuffle of the numbers just so that we can see all the colours a little bit easier. Say there's 22 different colours, but there is some gorgeous pinks and purples in here. It would be really, really nice to be able to see all together. That's some of the darker colours there. I think that's got them all so that we can see them. Beautiful pinks mixed in with some purples and some other pinks. A little bit of green as well. The sort of reflection of the clouds. And then we have some really deep burgundy, black, and some greys and some beige to help, of course, with the silhouette here, and then the outline, and this gorgeous pink. Beautiful. So yeah, that is the 3 items for today. That seemed to be rather quick. Maybe it's just me because I've not done an actual unboxing for a little bit. It feels like that was a very quick video. Maybe it's the fact that only one of them I needed to fully open up in relation to the diamonds. But yeah, I've got a little bit of pink going on here today with a nice little bit of cuteness for winter. I will pop links to each of these down below, and of course you can click on any of those links and then wander for a little browse to see if anything else takes your fancy. But yeah, some gorgeous new images and off the canvas items are available from Fansells, so go and click on one of the links below and go and have a little mooch and see what you may be able to find for yourself. But thank you so much to Fansells for sending me these to share with you all, and I'll speak to you all again soon.